I'm Howard London. I'm an equity partner at Beermann. I've had the good fortune of being with Beermann for 43 years. My area of practice is family law, although in my 40-year-plus career, I've done just about everything. One of the most rewarding parts of my job is to help run this firm and help make it continue to be the best firm that it can possibly be and be a resource to all of my partners and to make sure that our clients are being served as well as possible. And I think we're doing pretty well at that. Another very enjoyable part of my job, which I think really has helped keep me going all these years, are the lawyers I work with. I have wonderful partners. They're caring people, they're dedicated people, they're easy to manage, and I'm content to know at the end of the day when I go home that the clients of Beermann are being well taken care of by my partners. One of the most important aspects of selecting a lawyer is for the client to find the lawyer who's the best fit for them. I think my work starts in trying to assess if that person is right for me and if I'm right for them. Then I take it from there. I listen, try to understand what their situation is, how I might be able to help them. I ask myself, is there somebody else in my firm who would be helpful in working with me to best represent a client? Next step is to come up with what I call a game plan, identify what the client's goals are, the things we need to do to achieve those goals, and then put them into effect. There really are only a handful of family lawyers in the Chicago area who have the same level of experience that I do. There's no substitute for that. So when you combine the experience with the skill set I think I have, I think I'm a really good asset for a client to have in his or her corner. My disposition, my demeanor is calm. So one of the reasons I think a client benefits from hiring me is that I have a calming effect on my clients, on judges, on mediators, because I find that when people work, try to solve a problem and work something out collaboratively and calmly, they're much more likely to be successful than they are if they're fighting with each other. There's the right way to do things and there's the wrong way to do things. And nothing is more important to us from a professional standpoint. To be honest, to have integrity, both in dealing with each other, in dealing with our clients, in dealing with other lawyers, in dealing with judges, and in dealing with mediators. And that's what gives us our reputation. You can't buy reputation. I think that's probably one of the biggest satisfactions when a case is finished and a client thanks me for helping them. The thank you is worth everything in the case. And I know that every once in a while, a client will write a really nice thank you letter. And if somebody in the firm gets one of those, they typically show it around. It's really, really important to them. I think it's not just winning or losing or any of those things. I think that regardless of what the outcome of a case is, I want to make sure that I've done my very best to help people.